Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your 2024 Ram, 2500 or 3500? Wondering which fuse controls what in your truck? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Power distribution fuse box. The 2024 Ram 2500 to 3500 fuse box features a well-organized layout with clearly labeled fuses for easy identification. It includes high amperage fuses for heavy-duty electrical components and relays for critical systems like the fuel pump and trailer lights. The fuse box is designed for easy access, typically located under the hood or inside the cabin. It also comes with a detailed fuse diagram to help with troubleshooting and maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.